Namaskar, dear students. We are celebrating physics. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Okay. This is special session of G-NEET troubleshooting. Okay. Let us solve a problem. The data is 4 particles, each having a charge small q, are placed on 4 vertices of a regular pentagon. The distance of each corner from the center is small a. Find the electric field at the center of the pentagon. Okay, this is the data. This is the data. Okay. See, first of all, for such regular shapes, the electric field intensity at center is 0 due to symmetry. Okay. We will prove in solved example 1.6 of your NCERT textbook, and we can easily understand. See, suppose this is a square. Okay, yesterday we discussed this. Okay, this is a square. Then electric field here will be, suppose I put positive q charge everywhere. Okay, so this is the center of the square. In that case, electric field due to this q will be in this direction. Okay, I have to put here a unit positive charge, so this will repel. Similarly, due to this it will be in this direction. Due to this it will be in this direction. Due to this it will be in this direction. All will cancel each other. So electric field is 0. Okay, that is our concept to solve this problem. So this is the reference figure. Okay, we are putting positive q charge on all the vertices of a pentagon. In our data, we have to put only on 4 vertices. But let us put on all the vertices of a pentagon. Okay, everywhere q, 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 q. In that case, due to this q, electric field here at center will be in this direction. Due to this it will be in this direction. Due to this it will be in this direction. Due to this it will be in this direction, and due to this it will be, because we have to put unit positive charge. Okay, so if we make vector sum of all these vectors, it will be 0. Okay, but in our data we have to put only on 4 vertices, so this is our figure. Okay, we will remove q from this point. Okay, say this A, B, C, D, E. So in our data, we do not have to put a positive charge on E. Okay, we have to put only on 4 vertices. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So according to this symmetric relation, EA plus EB plus EC plus ED, 4 will give minus of EE. Okay, so electric field intensity due to this all 4 will be minus EE. But what is EE? That is electric field intensity due to E was KQ upon this distance they have given as A. Okay, distance from each corner to the center is A. So due to, if I put a unit positive charge here, due to E, the electric field intensity will be equal to KQ upon A square. But here there is a minus sign. So resultant of these 4, E at R, that is EA plus EB plus EC plus ED, equals to minus of EE, equals to, the value is KQ, this is Q, suppose. Okay, then KQ by A square, the direction is minus of EE. Now this is the direction of EE, so minus of it will be, see, this is direction of EE, so it's opposite direction, that is this. So the answer will be along OE direction. Okay, this is a easy method to solve this problem. Bye.